The world of insurance might seem complex at first glance with its myriad of policies, terms, and conditions. Hi, welcome to AI EdTech Job Seeker channel. Today we will know this through this video. What is insurance advisor job responsibilities, how to become a good insurance advisor, and how to earn money insurance advisor. We will tell you through this video. Stay with us till the end of the video, but it's a fascinating field that offers immense potential for growth and personal satisfaction. You can become a trusted advisor, guiding individuals and families towards financial security and peace of mind. This essay will equip you with the knowledge and tools to excel as an insurance advisor, helping you understand the intricacies of the industry. Becoming a successful insurance advisor is about more than just selling policies. It's about building a career that makes a difference. It's about understanding people's needs, providing solutions that bring them peace of mind, and ensuring their future is secure. It's about building trust and long-lasting relationships that stand the test of time. This journey requires dedication, empathy, and a genuine desire to help others achieve their financial goals. Are you ready to embark on this rewarding career path and make a real impact in people's lives? Let's explore the steps to becoming a top-notch insurance advisor and unlock your potential in this dynamic field. Before you begin your journey, it's crucial to understand the entry requirements. First and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old with a basic educational background. Next, you'll need to register with a reputable insurance company. This allows you to sell their specific products and services. Before you can start selling, you'll need to complete pre-licensing education and training programs. These programs, often mandated by the state, equip you with essential product knowledge and industry regulations. The final step is passing the state insurance licensing exam. This exam tests your understanding of insurance concepts, policies, and legal compliance. Once you clear this hurdle, you're officially a licensed insurance advisor. While qualifications lay the groundwork, certain skills and qualities will set you apart as a top insurance advisor. Excellent communication skills are paramount. You need to explain complex insurance concepts clearly and concisely, avoiding jargon. Building rapport and trust with clients is essential. An empathetic and approachable demeanor helps clients feel comfortable discussing their financial concerns. You must be a good listener, paying close attention to your clients' needs and concerns. This allows you to recommend the most suitable insurance solutions. Persistence and follow-up are key. Regularly check in with your clients, answer their queries, and ensure their needs are met. Remember, building long-term relationships is crucial for success. Section 4. Navigating responsibilities. A day in the life of an insurance advisor. As an insurance advisor, your days will be diverse and fulfilling, filled with a variety of tasks and interactions. You'll wear many hats, from salesperson to counselor to problem solver, adapting to each client's unique needs and situations. One of your primary responsibilities is identifying potential risks and educating clients about suitable insurance coverage, ensuring they understand their options. You'll analyze their needs, recommend appropriate policies, and guide them through the application process, making it as seamless as possible. You'll also play a crucial role in claims processing, helping clients navigate the often complex procedures. When a client needs to file a claim, you'll be there to assist them, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience, providing support and guidance. Beyond selling policies, you'll act as a trusted advisor, providing ongoing support and financial guidance, building long-term relationships. You'll help clients review their coverage, make necessary adjustments, and plan for their financial future, ensuring they are always well protected. Section 5. Reaching for the stars. Advanced skills and continuous growth. To truly excel in this field, continually strive for improvement. This means dedicating time to learning and refining your skills. Sharpen your negotiation skills to secure the best possible rates and terms for your clients. Effective negotiation can significantly impact client satisfaction and loyalty. Develop a deep understanding of financial planning and investment strategies. This knowledge will enable you to offer tailored solutions that meet your clients' unique needs. This allows you to provide comprehensive financial advice, going beyond basic insurance needs. Your clients will appreciate the added value you bring to their financial planning. Stay updated on industry trends, new products, and regulatory changes. This ensures that you are always offering the most current and relevant advice. Attend seminars, workshops, and conferences to enhance your knowledge and skills. Networking with peers can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Embrace technology and digital tools to streamline processes and enhance client experience. Leveraging these tools can set you apart in a competitive market. Remember, the journey of an insurance advisor is one of continuous learning and growth. Each step forward brings new opportunities and challenges. By embracing these advanced skills and maintaining a client-centric approach, you'll pave your way to becoming a true industry leader. Your dedication will be reflected in the success and satisfaction of your clients.